This is an unboxing of a Canon Vixia HV40 high definition camcorder. Okay, there's no tape here sealing this. We have battery for the remote. We have the software CD, digital video solutions disc, and the manual in the sealed bag. This is the soft foam bag, and it's kind of a soft tissue bag, soft cloth. The camera. Fairly deep battery slot there. Side. On the bottom we have power cable, composite cable, USB cable, battery, remote control, power adapter, and component cable. That's it.